Okay, so today's journal question has us find the slope of a line with these 2 points, 0, 0, and 4, 7. So first of all, when you have 2 points, you can use what's the 2-point formula, which is the change in y over the change in x. And I also abbreviate that as triangle y over triangle x. And the triangle stands for change in. It's just a math term and how we use it. So change in y over change in x. I'm going to write the formula and then I'm going to explain why it's like this. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if you watched the video in the Pear Deck, this was explained, but I'm going to go over it again. So when you have 2 points, right? And they're all in the form x comma y, right? X, y. X is always first. So you can actually label these points so that you can solve this equation. So it doesn't matter which one you use. I like to use the first point first. It just makes it just as easy. So we're going to label these first points x1, y1. So that's the first x value, and that's the first y value. Now the reason why we don't do something like 1x, we instead use x, a subscript, not a coefficient, is because this could look like a math term, 1 times x. Instead we use x subscript 1 to represent what we're talking about. So x1, y1, and then obviously I'm sure you can guess the second pair is x2, y2. So now all we have to do that we have them is plug them in. So y2 is the first thing here. So y2 is 7. Right? y2, 7. Then we find our y1 value, which is 0. x2 value. x2 is 4. x1 value, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. And that's our final answer. So again, this is how you find the slope of a line with 2 points.